Hey everyone, this is Rakshita working at Inspire. Today I'm going to show you how to create an blog banner using Canva. Now, here we are at the home page of the Canva. We'll go to search and we type blog banners. And now we'll go to create a blank blog banner. And here we'll go to design and we'll select any one template and we'll redesign it. I will select this and we'll start editing. We'll change the color of the background. Okay, and now we'll change this color. Over to black suits well. And now we'll change the name, change it to Raksha Archives, and we'll change this shop now to Art Works. Here we finished our blog banner in minutes. And if you need some animation to put in there, you can go to animate and select any of the one. This suits well. And now we go to share and download. And this is how we create blog banners in minutes. For more like this, like, share and subscribe to Inspire. This is Inspire, where your ideas become digital powered.